Hey guys, what's up? So after a long and cold winter, I want to show you some of the upgrades that I've done to the Syncro. First along are these truck mirrors that replace the floppy mirrors that came with the van originally. They look very cool, and as you can see, they give you about twice the rear vision that the normal mirrors do. Then we had an upgrade that is hugely important for going off-road and for driving in winter as well. These are the BF Goodrich all-terrain TA KO2 tires, and they have the little snowflake symbol on them, and that means you can use them as proper winter tires. And if you've seen my little movie about my cross-country skiing in the Harz Mountains, you can see how well they did. They're mounted on 16-inch Mefro wheels with Mefro hubcaps as well, and I'm very happy with them. People used to complain about the old KOs, that they were a bit noisy on the road, but these are really very quiet. It's only around 50 mph or 80 kilometers an hour that you hear a slight hum, but it really is negligible compared to the noise that the van makes. Now, talking about noise, I've become a bit of a fan of campervan culture in the UK. They also sell these little rubber leading edges for the doors, and they make a huge difference to the whistling that you normally hear in the cab of a T3. Then the next upgrade that I did, because when I mounted the 16-inch tires, I noticed that there was a lot of spray coming onto the side of the van here, even though I had mud flaps. And then I got these wheel arch extenders, and they're made by Mountain Westy in the US. And I bought them again through Campervan Culture in the UK. So they took they did the importing into Europe for me. They're expensive. They're about 500 euros. But since then the van stays really nice and clean, and of course they look fantastic as well. At the back, did I do anything to the back? No. Funny little sticker. On this side, yeah, let's go inside. Okay, so I think the most important upgrade I've done to the interior are these seats. They're ISRI seats that you could buy on your Westfalia when they were new, and they were about 1,000 mark upgrade, which is about 500 euros today. And they're very rare, very sought after, and I was very chuffed that I could find some on eBay this winter in the right color. In Germany for 550 euros. So I drove to Frankfurt and picked them up. When I got them, I noticed that they were a little bit tatty compared to the rest of the van. So I've had them refitted by Danny of the Dutch Facebook T3 group. Thanks very much, Danny. They look fantastic now. Then some other nice bits and bobs. Oh yeah, there's this little pillow that Bernard van der Ploeg, who is my Vanagon repairman, gave me. He had it lying around in his workshop, and it fits my upholstery, as you can see, and this makes sitting on the back seat just a tad more comfortable, and that's really nice. Another nice upgrade, and again it's from Campervan Culture. They have these made especially. Do you see that little plate there? Now normally you've got 3 rows of vents here for the fridge, but they sell a nice little plate in original Westy brown that has got 2 charger points, and you can see one is a dual USB, which is now charging my drone and my second GoPro battery, and the other one is a regular 12-volt plug where you can stick in your, well, whatever appliance you've got. And I think that's fantastic. I mean, it's not rocket science, but just the fact that there's an industry out there which builds these nice little nifty upgrades for our beloved campervans, I think that's really nice and really is worth supporting. I also got some nice brown cup holders, I think again from Campervan, fitted in the original places, and that's it. very happy with the van as it is now. Next on my list, possibly an awning, maybe an ARB awning, and possibly a nice rear bumper with a fold-out system for the spare tire. Not sure about that yet. It's too early for Santa Claus, I'm afraid. Anyway, see you next time.